Okay, here it is. 787-8 United Airlines. I've seen this one before. 787-8 United Airlines. It's a Dreamliner. It's a United Dreamliner. This is sick. This is what I wanted to see. Woo! But I like the A350 more.
Nice.
Let's go. That's what I wanted to see.
Yeah.
Boeing 787-10. And soon I'll have a Qatar A350. Maybe I'll be able to stay if my phone has enough battery for Etihad 787. Right now we just got the United 787-10. Or is this the Qatar? No, it's not the Qatar A350. Dreamliner count is at 3. And there's still a plane there somewhere. Etihad is a 787-10. I don't know what they fly. All I know is that they fly 787s. Yeah, it is. Okay. I need to shut up. Oh, yeah. I'm just gonna sit in a place where if I back up, I won't walk into a bench. Screwed up with the A350. No, Etihad, I'm not sure if I don't think they have them, but Etihad needs A350s. Oh, beautiful. Look at this. Boeing 787 landing over us.
Sell it to us.
Sick. Oh my gosh. Boeing 787, United Airlines. Sick. I was going from Brussels.
70%. Thank you, Safta.
Sorry, I started recording. It's shaky.